Hi, I'm Lorna from wearablyweird.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can clean Crocs really fast for free using things that you can find around the house, taking them from a paint-stained, dirty, grimy mess to this. You will need a mild liquid dish soap, some bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, and an old toothbrush. Create a solution with your mild liquid dish soap and a little bit of warm water and begin to scrub your Crocs all over with this. You want to aim for a really foamy effect to make sure it's getting the job done. Keep going underneath as well as on top and make sure you get right down into the toe box on the inside too. Once you've scrubbed your Crocs all over, rinse them off with some fresh cold water. You can already see this is the one I've just cleaned compared to the dirty paint stained other one. The bottom as well is looking way cleaner already. What we're going to do next is move on to deodorizing the Crocs using a baking soda paste. Please don't skip this step, it actually really helps keep the inside of your Crocs fresh and clean and smelling good. Next, to deodorize the inside of the Crocs, make a baking soda paste with some baking soda and a little bit of water until it forms a thickness kind of similar to toothpaste. Then pick it up on your old toothbrush and begin to just scrub it into the insides of your Crocs, creating a nice layer that covers the complete inside. Now what you want to do is leave this baking soda paste on for an hour or so and then rinse it off and you'll have really nice smelling fresh Crocs. If you found the information in this video helpful, it would be awesome if you could hit the like button and help it reach more people. And if you want a more in-depth guide to cleaning Crocs, I have a link to a blog post in the description that covers way more different substance types that can get over your Crocs and how to clean them off.